Alkem Laboratories is one of the companies that helps millions of people to live their life healthier. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Gaurav Vishal, and I am here along with my teammates Saurav, Sonal, and Muskan, and we are here to give the presentation on Alkem Laboratories. But before that, let me ask you a question. Have you all ever thought who makes the medicine we use every day? I hope it would be probably more than 100 companies, but one of the company would be Alkem Laboratories. Today we will learn how Alkem Laboratories, an Indian pharmaceutical company, became a global pharmaceutical company while operating in more than 40 plus countries. Since we all know healthy people makes the nation healthier and trusted medicines make it possible. Alkem is one of the trusted companies that makes medicine to the welfare of the customers. Now let's move on to the presentation. Alkem Laboratories is one of the biggest and famous pharmaceutical companies in India. It was founded by Mr. Samprada Singh and Mr. Vasudev Narayan Singh in 1973. Alkem headquarters is located in Mumbai. Alkem makes their product for different health problems like fever, cough, diabetes, infection, and heart disease. They make their product at a very affordable price for the welfare of the customers. They sell their product in India as well as the other countries like USA, Kenya, and Europe. Alkem has more than 20 manufacturing units and R&D centers in India. Alkem believes in quality and continuous innovation of the product. Some of their major products are Clavum 625, which is an antibiotic, Taximo, also an antibiotic used for the treatment of typhoid, Pandi, which is an antacid, and A to Z multivitamin. Alkem is considered is one of the famous and biggest pharmaceutical companies in India. Now Saurabh will continue further.
Thank you, Gaurav. Now let's talk about the CEO of Alkem Laboratories. The CEO of Alkem Laboratories, Dr. Vikas Gupta. He completed his MBBS from the University College of Medical Science, New Delhi. A very talented, dynamic and experienced leader in the health industries. Before joining Alkem, he worked with many famous pharmaceutical companies such as Cipla, Glenmark and Ranbaxy. He joined Alkem in the year 2023. Under his leadership, Alkem Laboratories improved its business growth, research activity, and international market presence. His contribution helped Alkem become one of the leading pharmaceutical companies in India. Thank you. I would like to hand over the presentation to Sonal.
Thank you, Saurav. Now let's talk about financial position and growth. Alkem Laboratory has become one of India's top pharma company over the last couple of years. Their first quarter revenue grew steadily by 11%, which reflects its strong market performance. This consistency shows that the company is financially independent, international reputation. Now coming to their international sales. They're standing tall in international market with overseas sale growing by over 26%. In fact, their top product have crossed $200 million in annual sales. This global growth has helped Alkem strengthen its brand and continue to international reputation. Lastly, let's talk about US FDA compliance. The United States Food and Drug Administration, Alkem Daman factory, recently in this year, raised 7 observations in the Form 483. The company is already working on fixing these issues quickly since this factory is crucial for their United States export and growth. Now Muskan will take the charge.
Thank you, Sonal. Let's talk about the future plans and vision. The company is growing fast in India and many other countries because of its hard work, innovation, and customer trust. Under the leadership of CEO Dr. Vikas Gupta, the Alkem Laboratory has continued to grow and achieve success in their pharmaceutical industry. Overall, the company is growing fast in India and many other countries because of its hard work, innovation, and customer trust. Also, they focus to become a global leadership in their pharmaceutical industry by providing affordable, innovative, and high-quality healthcare solutions to people around the world. If you talk about the challenges, the company faces many challenges like a strong competition, rising production cost, a strict regulation, and supply chain management. Continuous global expansion. Thank you. This is all about the Alkem Laboratories.